So I just wanted to make this little video and ask for 30 seconds of everyone's time to show off my motorized camera slider that I built from just cheap eBay parts. I've got some pros and I've got some cons. Now, the only downside is that this piece here, which is supposed to hit the limit switch, it's not strong enough, so I'm actually just going to have to make one out of plexiglass. But other than that, everything works how it should. You can see it winds up and moves the slider. Now you'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. It just flexes because this piece wasn't actually long enough. Okay, well, I got lucky on that instance and it worked. But yeah, anyway, so that is the homemade camera slider. It's got adjustable feet on the bottom. It's got a bar which is used to mount the tripod on, and it runs off a 12-volt wall adapter. So you can see that's the other side of it there. So it's a cool little setup. It's not the world's best setup, but it does work for a GoPro. It would be a really good setup for a time lapse. That way you can just set it, and from here to here it'll be about 40 seconds or so. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.